when you say that you have little blood circulation left in your legs due to diamond pose or due to crow pose or due to whatever we did, what does that actually mean? If you say that you have very less blood circulation left, means the legs are sleeping or the legs are so shrinked or pressed or suppressed that there's no enough blood rushing. What's actually happening?
It means that blood is circulating more in other parts of the body.
It is, indeed it is. It is, of course, circulating more in the other parts of the body. But the other perspective of it, what does that really mean? The other perspective of it. Now you're moving your legs in and out simply. You're relaxing yourself and just trying to listen and try to understand what I'm trying to tell you. Simple. The world is palpitating. The world is vibrating. The universe is vibrating at a frequency, right? That's true. Just like our heart is palpitating, our heart is vibrating at a frequency. Just like the body is vibrating at a frequency, everything around you is vibrating at a frequency, right? Now, what happens is that we have to pursue and we have to keep this vibration going. We have to keep this palpitations going. If you just try to go back in time and observe what we did in this session today, is just this, right? Frequency. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Contract, relax, contract, relax, contract, relax, contract, relax, contract, relax. Vibrations, right? That's the whole crux. That's the whole story. In and out, in and out. We are basically supporting the nature. Now, when you have restrained the blood circulation in your legs through Vajrasana, through diamond pose or through crow pose or whatever we did, when you have restricted blood circulation, you are allowing yourself and your legs, when they'll be opened up, to get more rush, blood rush, even more, which is beyond normal, right? So you have restricted yourself for a moment and now you'll get even more as a reward. Palpitations, vibrations, contraction, relaxation, universe, heart, everything is supported, right? Everything comes into same picture, because the rule of universe is that everything goes in hand. Happiness and sorrows goes hand in hand. Everything is well balanced. The time of austerity that you have given to yourself, the time of austerity is now compared to the lack of blood circulation that you have restricted by your own will for a limited time, right? You will get the reward for that austerity. You will get the reward for all the things that you have left behind also, that you have said no to, right? You will get, because whatever you have to get is already written in your fortune, that this thing I have to get in life, this much amount of money I have to get, this much amount of happiness I have to get, this much amount of food I have to eat in the whole lifetime, this much amount of breath I have been given by God, the count of breath, right? Everything is counted and everything is written already. That is a fact, right? That is a fact. So when you're restraining something from one place, you are opening the other door for yourself, right? So now back to the original thing, that you have restricted blood circulation in your legs. You will get the amount of circulation in your legs after it, right? You will reward your legs with even more pump, even more push, even more good pressure. I hope this makes sense. This was a little complicated, but this makes sense, right? I'm happy that this made sense to you. Close your doors, and God will open other doors for you. That's austerity, basically. A good butterfly is what we want, mom. Is what God wants from you right now. God is sending me messages, you know. And I'm just a medium.